the man you want, yeah. I'll keep you safe.